There's Donna. Kind of windy where she's at right there. I'm behind a building, taking cover from the wind. A lot of sand blowing around down there too. Oh, here's a good gust of wind. It's getting hit hard there now. A little windy over there, huh? That's a good gust right there. How powerful is that, Phil? Good 50-mile-an-hour gust right there, right?